Hello everyone, my name is Amit Raturi and I would like to share my experience as equity research intern at inSAKE Solution Private Limited. So first of all, I would like to thank inSAKE Solution for providing me this opportunity. And during my internship program, I learned to perform fundamental analysis, which help us to identify the stock in the market based on the past data. And I also learned to perform technical analysis, and it helps us to identify the trends in the market. And I also prepared equity research report and industry analysis report. It helps us to gain insight of the industry. And I also perform financial modeling, which help us to predict the future of the stock. And I also learned the basic of investment banking, and also prepared the merger and acquisition report for companies. And altogether it was a very informative internship, and I learned the concepts of finance in a very simplified manner. So that's all from my side. Thank you.